everybody, welcome. I know it looks like I'm on my way to some sort of a hoedown, but I'm not. I'm actually going to talk to you a little bit today about ear prompters. Now, they're not used all the time in the industry anymore, but they are still used, and it is a great skill to have if you're a host or a presenter. They're commonly confused for an IFB, which stands for interrupt for broadcast, or interruptible feedback, or foldback. Those are those little devices that you see like newscasters wear in the middle of live broadcasts that allow producers, directors to speak to them and give them either breaking news or you need to say this or that adjustments in real time. An earprompter is actually connected to a recorder. Very similar to what you probably saw your mom or dad recording little voice memo reminders for themselves when you were a kid. It's got the little tape in there and everything. I'm sure this is an antique, it's adorable, but a lot of live presenters and actors and hosts still use these little recorders with the tape. I know, it's amazing. I personally prefer the digital one, and so that's what I'm gonna recommend to you. This is a Sony. You can just pick this up at like Best Buy for $25. You are actually going to record your script into this, like a voice memo or a reminder. Then you're gonna plug in the IFB, put it in your ear, and you're gonna talk over your own voice, doing the script about 3 or 4 words behind yourself. I know, it sounds like something that couldn't be done, but trust me, it's kind of like learning to ride a bike. It takes some people longer than others, but once you know how to ride that bike, it is easy. And a lot of live presenters still really use these. Some hosts use these for infomercials and industrial shoots. It is a really good skill set to have if you're a host. So that, in short, is an ear prompter.